I'm very excited. I can't wait to see what the public thinks of it, right? But, you know, we've been working on it for a long time.
I think the clarity of vision is unlike anything you've ever seen. People have never seen 18K images, and they're going to see a lot of them very, very soon. And then the sound is just wild, that you're in such a big space, but it's so intimate.
It redefines live entertainment. The night Sphere was born, very, very late in his office, just the two of us. Dibble, I want to reinvent live entertainment. He's done it.
As much as they love the outside, wait till they see the inside.